We live in a very fast world right now.
My head is full of thoughts.
Mind is always busy.
It's hard to relax and rest.
We need to sit still, be quiet, listen to God.
Centering prayer is to further the movement into resting in God, interior silence.
Be still and know I'm God.
Twice a day for 20 minutes, enter into this prayer.
We just show up and God does the rest. We allow God to transform us.
Letting go leaves room for new life.
Centering prayer gave me an actual experience of the divine love.
It is an open loving of God.
It becomes more heartfulness than mindfulness.
For me, it brings back the wonder of life.
I am more honest and humble.
More patient.
Increasingly more peaceful.
And it has deepened my trust.
I become able to accept others as they are.
I'm a much better physician.
Everything about my being is just able to see new things, new aspects of unpleasant situations that I would have just ran away from before.
In couples counseling, if couples start doing centering prayer together, it's amazing.
Contemplative outreach has nursed me with materials, topics, people, conferences,
retreats.
It provides the how-to.
With the website, I'm aware of the practitioners all over this world.
It gives us a global community.
I found a new home.
We're open to all religions and all faiths.
No one is excluded.
It has created a still, quiet place deep inside.
To start the day thinking of God frames the day.
It has become a way of life for me.
I can miss my vitamins in the morning, but if I miss my prayer in the morning, it's a difficult day.
Let me tell you how it really has helped me when I get behind the wheel of an automobile.
People notice that you've changed, you're more peaceful, there's something different about you, and they ask.
Invitarnos a cambiarnos cada uno, y así podremos todos juntos lograr el cambio en el mundo que todos anhelamos y esperamos.
It could really transform the heart of the world.